Hi, I'm Chase from Chaseandmelia, and today we're here to talk to you about Christmas music, specifically Silent Night. This is a hugely popular song, and if you want to sing it for anybody, we've got some tips for you. Some things to remember with this song specifically is air, vowel, and dynamics. Now, we always need to consider air, vowel, and dynamics when singing, but specifically for this piece, it's so slow that you have to know when to breathe. Because it's so slow, the phrases are really long, you have to make sure that you know what vowel you're trying to sing. And because it's slow and long, it can be really boring, and you need to use dynamics to make it more interesting. So let's jump in. The first things you need to do is decide what key and what tempo. We're going to sing it in E. Now, I have an instrument here, and so that can stay really consistent. If you don't, just make sure that you try to sing it in the same spot of your voice every time. Now, the tempo is really important because it's going to decide where you breathe. So make sure that you know if you're singing it slow or fast so you can practice consistently. So for our version, we're going to take it slow, and we're going to decide where we want to breathe. Silent night. Oh, right there sounded really natural. Holy night. Great, another good spot. All is calm, all is bright. That time I connected the two. I really like that phrase. I don't want to break it up with a breath. So I'm mapping my breaths through the entire song. Now, like we said in the beginning, vowels are going to be really important. Silent night, silent, night, all, calm. Those are all vowels. So you really want to make sure that you sing each of those consistently. Silent night, holy night. Now, I don't need you to sing, silent night. It's a nice, comfortable, silent, silent, silent night. Holy is an O vowel. So make sure that you're singing a nice, closed O. Round yon virgin mother and child. This is a section where you're going to need to watch out for the round, the R's, the L's, the M's, anything that's not a vowel. So don't sing like this. Round yon virgin mother and child. Right? We want to get from vowel to vowel. Round yon virgin mother and child. Uld. Child is not child, it's child. Child. The LD is as fast as you can make it. Sleep in heavenly peace. Really high, really high. I don't know what key you picked, but it's probably going to be pretty high in your range. So make sure that you remember your vowel and your breath. Sleep is an E vowel. Nice E vowel. Lots of air all the way through. Don't be afraid to lighten up here. Use your vowel and support it with your air to help you through that high passage. Now, this song can get boring really easily, so make sure that you make it more interesting using your dynamics. At the end of the piece, you sing Sleep in Heavenly Peace twice. So, sleep in heavenly peace. Sleep in heavenly peace. The first time I sang it, I grew. I became louder and more intense. And as I sang it the second time, I came down like I'm trying to lull a baby to sleep. Using dynamics is essential to making your performance more interesting. Well, I hope this lesson helped you sing for your friends and family this holiday season. If you like this video, give it a like, and if you're new here, please consider subscribing. We make new videos every week. I'm Chase from Chaseandmelia. We'll see you soon.